Now, Newport Harbor, a gorgeous morning out there on the harbor. Just a few boats, though, left. I remember back in the summer, there'd be boats all over there, and all the moorings filled up on that side. This might be one of the last days, right? You can get out and enjoy a boat ride.
Yeah, especially this morning would be the better time. We do have a small craft advisory that will kick in for the bay in the afternoon hours, and so we'll show you that. But right now outside, we are sneaking in some sun here in Narragansett. It's a nice start to the morning, warm and dry. Mainly cloudy skies in North Scituate this morning, and the radar is quiet everywhere despite those increasing clouds. The rainfall is still off to the west of us. You can see it crossing into New York State, across Pennsylvania, and into the D.C. area. It's all associated with a strong cold front, and boy, is that front bringing about a change in temperatures. On the eastern side of it has been all of that record-breaking warmth, but behind it, temperatures are in the teens, 20s, and 30s. In Chicago now 36 degrees. So we are going to get back to reality for our temperatures by the afternoon on Thursday, but today we may sneak in another record-setting high temperature. 70 degrees is what I'm forecasting for this afternoon. The record to beat is 68 from 1966. Sun came up at 6:31, setting at 4:28 this afternoon. So do plan on partly to mostly cloudy skies this morning, increasing clouds, but most of the afternoon looking dry. Temperatures at lunchtime at around 70 and 3 o'clock this afternoon, still at 68 degrees. We've got winds increasing. They're 5 to 15 miles per hour right now, and a breezy afternoon expected with gusts 25 to 30 miles per hour possible. Even stronger winds potentially overnight tonight, gusting 40 to 45 miles per hour along parts of the coastline. So 10 o'clock this morning, mostly cloudy skies, middle and upper 60s. In the afternoon, we're still mainly dry. This is at 2 in the afternoon, upper 60s inland, mid 60s at the coastline. And by the later evening hours, that rain is going to be filling in and will continue overnight, some of it heavy at times. Now tomorrow morning, still looking like a mild start. We'll stay in the 60s throughout the night. So we'll see the warmest part of the day tomorrow first thing in the morning, lower to middle 60s. Watch what happens as the day goes on. The clouds and the showers remain, but the warm air does not. At 1 o'clock in the afternoon, we're cooling into the middle 50s, and it'll continue to turn cooler from there. As far as the rainfall amounts go with this, we're looking at about a half an inch to an inch of rainfall near the coastline. The further inland that you go, the less rain we're expecting. So about a quarter to a half an inch of rain from Providence and to points north. I mentioned that small craft advisory set to start this afternoon with gusts to 25 knots in the bay, waves 1 to 3 feet. High tide 4:08 this afternoon, and we've got a low tide about 2.5 hours from now. Out in the ocean, we've got several tropical issues going on. Tropical storm Theta is all the way out here, another developing system in the Caribbean. But take a look this morning at tropical storm Eta. It has been strengthening overnight. The track, the timing of it has all changed. We now expect this to become a hurricane. It's just below hurricane strength, and it's on a faster forward move. And so by tonight and tomorrow morning, it'll be approaching the upper part of Tampa Bay, and it looks like it'll be crossing out into the Atlantic and dissipating by the end of the week and start of the weekend. The full forecast with that 7 days showing our big temperature changes. The upcoming weekend for us looking much more like November. Another chance for showers Friday, then cool and dry Saturday and Sunday. WPRI.com for the update.